Ever wished you could safeguard your brilliant Excel calculations from prying eyes or accidental edits? In this quick tutorial, we're diving into how to hide your valuable Excel formulas, protecting your intellectual property and preventing any unintended changes. First, identify the cells containing the formulas you want to protect. It's a good idea to select them all at once if they're contiguous. Right-click on your selected cells and choose Format Cells. In the Format Cells dialog box, navigate to the Protection tab. Here's the key: check the box that says Hidden. Click OK to apply this setting. Now, to actually enforce this protection, go to the Review tab in your Excel ribbon. Click on the Protect Sheet button. In the Protect Sheet dialog box, you'll see an option for Select Hidden Cells. Make sure this is unchecked if you don't want users to be able to select the protected cells containing formulas. Crucially, ensure the Lock Cells checkbox is checked here. This is what activates the hidden attribute we set earlier. You can optionally set a password if you want to be able to unprotect it later. For now, we'll click OK. And voila! When you click on any of those previously formulated cells, the formula bar is now mysteriously empty. Your calculations are safe. Trying to alter the data within these cells will now result in an error message, preventing accidental modifications. To reveal your formulas again, simply go back to the Review tab and click on Protect Sheet. If you set a password, you'll be prompted to enter it. This simple but effective technique gives your spreadsheets a clean, professional look and safeguards your valuable work. Happy protecting!